Well, hey guys, it's been I think 3 months since we ordered this cover and it finally showed up. This is for our automatic rain sensing fan. This cover is super easy to put on. Basically, we'll have to clean these up, but these are pre-mounted. They're plastic little holes that will have a little hole in there. The fan there, the shroud, comes with pins that lock in place. So we're just going to do a quick install of this guy, and let me clean it up first and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I just took a little cut with the utility knife, kind of get some of this Dicor out of the way. This will be covered up, so I'm not worried about future leaks here. But you can see the hole. So we're going to clean that up on both sides. I'm just cutting down enough to peel that away. And then I have just a little 3/16 drill bit, and you can see it goes right through there. So basically the 4 of these, you'll just kind of go down, cut across, and then down, and then you can, as you can see, that's why they covered those holes up, is because it goes down into a trough underneath there. So this way, the insides, the outsides are like so, just a little oval, and the insides are a bigger oval. And I've got 2 more on the other side. I'll clean those out real quick, and then we'll get going and slap this thing together. Super easy. Okay, so this is a MaxxAir, and the MaxxAir cover. This is pretty much how it comes to you. So we'll open this guy up real quick. It's going to be in 2 pieces. You have your main shroud. And then your front or back, depending on how you look at it. These are the instructions that come along with it. Just like the other cover, not much detail. So we'll pull that off real quick. Set that back there. And then zip tied on the front is your hardware / clips. So we'll cut that off real quick. So here's our bag. It has our clips in there. It gives you mounting hardware in case you don't have, if you have a fan that doesn't have these mounts. That's what these stainless steel sets are for. You would mount them and drill into the back of your casing, and then these pins would go through. But because we have those pins already, we don't have to worry about it. So basically we're going to take, and put this guy together. Super easy. You have little tabs here. You're at about 45 degrees. And then it's just going to snap up on the top. There's 3 snaps up front. Well, that whole time I thought we were recording and we weren't. So when you flip this together, you got a little tab down here that the vent grate fits in, and then there's 3 clips that this snaps together with. I had to actually flip this guy over and then just kind of push him down. A little screwdriver might help with that. Then when you get ready to put this guy in, you want to have the grates to the back. And then you are going to put it over your existing little nubs here. Like so. Now, you'll notice that we'll try and get close here. We're going to have to put some more Dicor on here. So I'm going to go down and get the Dicor because I was under the impression that these sat a little more flush. So what we'll do is we'll put a big dollop, and just like on my other video that I'll put up top here, you want to clean this off. So we'll use some denatured alcohol and we'll clean this surface up. We'll put a dollop on each side of these things so that it seals it. The clips will go in just like so. So once we get it to be lined up and get through that hole there, that's what your clips will look like. Okay, but like I said, we're going to pull this off so that we can put some Dicor up there so that we don't have any future leaks. Okay, so we have our dollops of Dicor over there. I know it looks like, well, you just cleaned it off, now you just filled it all back in. Well, like I said, I was not anticipating this not fitting down on there. So lesson learned, learn from my mistakes. And I still think they need to be cleaned off. And then if you probably just drill a hole through there, line it up, that would be my suggestion. But as you can see, they just gotta line that guy up, and it goes like so. So they line up, they go in real easy. But depending on your roof surface, it's always good to have some silicone or Dicor or whatever your roof manufacturer requires, because you never know if you're going to have a leak or a tear or anything of that nature. So I always recommend keeping a tube of that or 2 with you. It's one of those must-haves. And so we'll slap the rest of these guys in real quick, and then we're done. Nice simple fix. These were supposedly rain sensing before, but we woke up not too long ago and had a puddle on the kitchen floor. So I don't know that I necessarily trust that. And it's always the last one that gives you the most grief. There we go. All right. 4 pins, and sealed back up. The problem I caused myself, but that's what she looks like. Okay, and we'll walk around so you can see what the back looks like. Okay, it's angled down, and we have the pins in there. It is kind of messy, but you know, better to be messy and be sealed than, you know, try to keep it clean and it be a leak. So the mess really isn't going to be an issue at all. The only person that's going to know is you. So, alrighty guys, thank you very much. If you have any questions, let us know. Hit us up in the comments, give us a like, and don't forget to hit that bell. Until next week, have a great week. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.